I pretty much owe my career to AB Dental. I've been there since the inception. I've worked with almost every company and they all have a place. But AB has definitely been the workhorse.
They're not only an excellent, world-recognized implant system, but from my point of view, what's important is the backup that I get whenever things don't go according to plan.
They will help you, they will guide you, they will come to your office, they will bring you at the nights and with the taxi what you need urgently.
AB department has the opportunity to have a custom implants. They produce for you specific implants for your specific cases.
This is resolve very hard cases and the people is very happy with the solution.
We are now at the front of the 3D printing technology all around the world. So people come from around the world, from Italy and from Greece and from Turkey and from the United States to Israel to learn from us.
Regarding the quality of the AB Dental implants, it's in the highest standard of the world. Of course, they have the FDA, they have the MDR regulation of Europe, which everybody knows how difficult it is today.
And also the quality of the material of the implants. I visited in the factories and I looked at the whole line of producing the implants. It's really amazing.
I am very satisfied with this company and this company advanced my practice. The patients are very happy and so is the dentist.
I do today in minutes what I used to do in hours, and a lot of it is really thanks to AB Dental.
I think for every dentist and surgeon that is looking for a company that is at the front of technology, the best is AB Dental.
They don't sleep till they give you the solution for the patient and for the case.